Hey everybody, this is Dawn and we have an unboxing to do. I had no idea where it was from until I looked at the address. This is from Matt at Outlaw Edge Blade Works, Bushcraft and Survival. The guy I did a shout out for the other day. Let's open it up. I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. Today, I am going to use my only Kellam knife I have. The Kellam, I believe they call this their utility knife. And let me tell you, this thing is razor sharp. So let's get into this box. Holy cow. He tapes a box up like I do. Okay. Look at that. Some of his cards. There you go, guys. Pretty cool. Love those cards. Oh man. Check out the lanyard on those. And I don't... He sent me the two sacks that he did his video on. And this one has the locking blade, and I don't know which ones they are. Stainless steel blades. And I had asked him about a trade. And I'm still gonna send him something, and he's like, no way. Didn't want to do a trade. And here they are in the mail. He said he wanted to send them. But, Matt, look at that. That is cool. And he said they're like 10 years old and... That is cool. Thank you very much. There's the other one. And I don't know which one this is either. Let's take a look. Screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper. Scissors. Boy, that's a big scissors. Still works good. The large blade. And the small blade. And then on this side, you got the corkscrew, of course. The awl. And the pull. So this isn't the camper. Alright, Knife Techs. I know you know all the sacks, all the Swiss Army knives. You can tell me which one this is. Because it doesn't have the saw. Is this the climber? Anybody who knows, you guys can tell me. I'd appreciate it. So, you sent me those. Thank you very much, Matt. And his stickers. And that's 2 more Swiss Army knives into my collection. Then I got 3 of them in the week. So that's very cool. He said he was done with them, throwing them in a drawer, and so I offered him a trade. So Matt, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, and I love these lanyards on them too. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.